Let's face it, folks, American cuisine sometimes gets a bad rap. Processed, they say. Fast, they cry. But is that really all there is to it? But hidden beneath those drive-through menus and microwave meals beats the heart of a home cook extraordinaire. The kind of cook who knows that the best meals are made with love and care. We're talking about classic American dishes, the kind that evoke memories of backyard barbecues and family gatherings. The kind of meals that bring people together, creating bonds and lasting memories. Today, we're rolling up our sleeves and venturing into the delicious world of homemade American classics. From hearty stews to mouth-watering pies, there's something for everyone. No fancy chef skills needed, just a dash of enthusiasm and a sprinkle of humor. Cooking should be fun, after all. We'll tackle a few iconic dishes, breaking them down into easy-to-follow steps that will have you feeling like a culinary hero in no time. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned cook, these recipes are sure to impress. So ditch the takeout menus, grab your aprons, and let's embark on a culinary adventure that's sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling like a true American cooking champion. Get ready to discover the joy of cooking and the delicious rewards that come with it. First up, the mighty burger. A culinary icon, the burger is more than just meat in a bun. It's a blank canvas for your creativity. Start with good quality ground beef. 80-20 is your friend here, folks, meaning 80% lean meat to 20% fat. Fat equals flavor. Form patties gently, don't manhandle them. Make a small indentation in the center to prevent puffing during cooking. Season generously with salt and pepper just before grilling or pan frying. Toast your buns, add your favorite toppings, and boom, you've conquered the burger beast. Next, we're tackling the quintessential American dessert apple pie. This classic treat is a staple in many households, especially during the holidays. It evokes feelings of warmth, comfort, and maybe a little childhood nostalgia. Imagine the joy of sharing a slice with loved ones around the dinner table. Don't be intimidated by pie crusts. Store-bought is perfectly acceptable. It saves time and still delivers a delicious result. Peel, core, and slice your apples. Granny Smith or Honeycrisp work well. These varieties offer the perfect balance of tartness and sweetness. Toss them with sugar, cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and a squeeze of lemon juice. This combination creates a flavorful and aromatic filling. Fun fact, a touch of cornstarch helps prevent a runny filling. It thickens the juices, ensuring a perfect slice every time. Fill your crust, top with another, crimp the edges, cut some vents, and bake until golden brown and bubbly. The aroma will fill your home. Serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and prepare for the compliments to roll in. This dessert is sure to be a hit at any gathering. Section 4, Mac and Cheese Childhood Comfort Adult Style. Finally, let's talk about mac and cheese, the ultimate comfort food. Forget the box stuff, we're diving into the real deal here. Making it from scratch is surprisingly easy and so much tastier. Plus, you can control the ingredients and make it just the way you like it. Start by cooking elbow macaroni or any short pasta until al dente. This ensures the pasta has the perfect texture. While the pasta's cooking, melt butter in a saucepan. This will be the base of your rich, creamy sauce. Whisk in flour to create a roux, the base of your cheese sauce. This step is crucial for a smooth, lump-free sauce. Slowly whisk in milk, then add shredded cheddar cheese. Sharp or extra sharp is best. The sharper the cheese, the more flavor you'll get. Stir until the cheese is melted and the sauce is smooth. This is where the magic happens. Add the cooked macaroni and stir to coat. Make sure every piece of pasta is covered in that delicious sauce. For extra decadence, transfer to a baking dish, top with breadcrumbs and more cheese, and bake until golden and bubbly, pure cheesy bliss. This step adds a delightful crunch and extra layer of flavor. Section 5, Star-Spangled Supper Success. Congratulations, culinary comrades. You've successfully navigated the delicious world of American classics. Remember, cooking should be fun and forgiving. Don't be afraid to experiment, add your own twists, and most importantly, enjoy the process. So gather your loved ones, fire up the grill, and create some culinary magic with these easy and delicious American classics. Happy cooking!